it's your travel agent, David. And today, while we're in Tokyo, we are going to be staying at the Daiwa Roynet Hotel Premier in Tokyo. This hotel is 2 blocks from Tokyo Station, which makes it a great place to stay because you can easily get to the station and commute throughout all of Tokyo. An additional plus is there's a 7-Eleven on the first floor, so you can get some hygiene items that you may have forgot, some medicines if you get a little congested from the trip, snacks, whatever you need right here. You don't have to go looking for it. Here's a cafe on level 2. They have a laundry room. There's just all kinds of cool stuff. So let's go check it out. So you can't smoke outside, you can't smoke in your rooms. So on level 3 by the lobby, they do have a private smoking room for you. On level 3, you will find a reception as well. This is the smoking room for the hotel. So you can see it's very tight. They don't give a lot of space because there's not a lot of space. So if you're looking to quit smoking, come to Japan, it may be a good opportunity to start. So when you check in, you can check in at the front desk. You can check out the front desk as well. But they do have 3 kiosks to your right that you can check in and check out of. And it will also take a copy of your passport. They do have a bag check area for you. So if your room's not ready or you got to go before your flight or your train, you can leave your bags there as well. As soon as you come into the room, you have to insert your card in order for it to power everything in. You've got your lights for the living room area and for the bathroom. The bathroom is right here. It's actually a really nice bathroom. Let's check it out. Use one of those? I may, but I doubt it. Now, you've got your closet here. It's very small and compact. It's about a little bit more than the width of a large suitcase, but you do have a full-size safe and some slippers. You also have a brush and a shoehorn and a bag and a few hangers. And what I think is cool, it even comes with fabric softener scenting spray, so you can spray everything. Now, another thing that's pretty cool is if you're here for business or you got some dress pants and they traveled hard, you can press them right here. As we make our way into the bedroom, we have a double bed, which is almost the whole room. So Japanese are very compact. And then one thing that's cool is they have this charger here. So it has all the different ends for different attachments, as well as one USB port and one 110 outlet. So the electricity in here is 110. Now let's check out the view. Very cool view. Here we go. Ready? I'm literally watching some guy work on his laptop. It's like an office building or something. Ooh, sorry about that. But there is a 7-Eleven right now in the basement. The lobby is on 3F, so the first couple floors are commercial, and then the hotel is from 3 to 14. Another cool thing that you're greeted with is 2 bottles of water and, well, pajamas. Pajama time. Oh, wait, that's hammer time. Never mind. So here in the hotel, they have 3 washing units for the whole hotel. It is 400 yen, so it works out to about $3 and some change for a wash and a dry that lasts 2 hours. Now, if you're gonna wash and dry, you need to watch how much you put in here. So if you're just washing, you put 6 kilograms. If you're gonna wash and dry, you need to keep it down to 3, or you're gonna have to just pay more to have it dry longer. So what you do is you gotta come in here, you hit the green button, then you've got to go through the cycles. Then you have to pick a 4-digit code to lock it. So you have to use that same 4-digit code to unlock it. Now, if you want to do continuous drying, like if you come in and they're still wet like mine were, it's gonna cost you 100 yen for 30 minutes. So it's cool that it's here because you can do laundry and you don't have to pack as much like what we're doing. We're heading to a cruise tomorrow, so we're doing some last minute laundry so we have more fresh clothes for the cruise, so we don't have to do as much on the ship.